Have you seen those viral skeleton videos blowing up YouTube right now? Channels like Dr. Data have gained over 500,000 subscribers in just a few months, with some videos hitting over 21 million views. This niche is still wide open, and people are making thousands of dollars from it. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to create these viral skeleton educational videos in under 5 minutes using just one AI tool, Sorio AI. No experience needed, no complicated setup. Make sure you watch till the end, because I'll break down every step so you can start posting today. Now let's get started. Now to create these viral skeleton educational videos, we're going to be using Sorio AI, one of the best AI tools for creating viral content fast. If you're trying to grow on YouTube Shorts, TikTok, or Instagram Reels, this tool makes the entire process insanely simple. To get started, click the link in the description and head over to Sorio AI. Then click on Get Started and create your account. Once you log in, you'll land on the Sorio dashboard. And this is where the magic happens. You'll see a variety of trending, ready-to-use video formats that are already proven to go viral, including tech story videos and other high-performing niches. But for this tutorial, we're focusing on one of the most powerful trends right now, the skeleton video niche. This niche is blowing up on YouTube Shorts and TikTok because it's highly engaging, addictive, and keeps viewers watching till the end, which is exactly what the algorithm loves. Once you click on the skeleton video niche, you'll be taken to the video creation interface inside Sorio AI. The first thing you'll see is the script section. This is where you can use the auto storyboard feature. Simply type in your video idea, and Sorio AI will instantly generate a full voiceover script along with scene prompts for your video. So I'm going to go ahead and enter my idea for this skeleton educational video. Next, choose the length of your video. You can create videos up to 60 seconds long, which is perfect for YouTube Shorts, TikTok, and Instagram Reels. After that, select the style of your video, whether you want it to be serious, dark, or funny, depending on the type of content you're creating. Once everything is set, click on Generate. And within seconds, the AI will create your full script and scene prompts automatically. Now take a moment to review everything. If there's any scene you don't like, you can easily regenerate it with just one click. When you're satisfied, click on Generate Scenes. This will take you to the image generation section, where Sorio AI will start creating visuals for each part of your video. In just a few seconds, all your scene images will be ready. Once you're happy with the images, click on Create Video. This will move you to the animation section, where the AI will turn your images into a fully animated video. This step might take a little time, so just be patient. After your video is done rendering, click Next to move on to the audio section, where we'll generate our voiceover. Sorio AI comes integrated with high-quality ElevenLabs voices, which are some of the most realistic AI voiceovers available right now. Go ahead and browse through the different voice options, preview them, and choose the one that fits your skeleton video style best. Once you've selected your voice, click on Generate Voiceover, and within seconds, the AI will create a professional-sounding voiceover for your video. You can preview it, and if you're happy with the result, click Continue to move to the editing section. In the edit section, you can customize your captions, change the text, adjust the caption style, pick different colors, and make your video more engaging for viewers. When you're done, click on Generate Captions, and your subtitles will be created instantly, which is perfect for boosting watch time and retention on YouTube Shorts and TikTok. Next, click on Add Music to open the music section. Here, you can choose a background track or upload your own music. You can also adjust the volume to make sure it blends perfectly with your voiceover. Once everything looks good, click Next to move to the export section. Set your video resolution, click Export Video, and within seconds, your viral skeleton video will be ready to download. Go ahead and save it to your device. And just like that, you've created a high-quality AI-generated video ready to post on YouTube Shorts, TikTok, or Instagram Reels. Now let's take a look at the final result.
What if World War II never ended? Day 1, the ceasefire collapses. Sirens wail, cities lock down. Month 6, food lines stretch for miles. You fight for scraps. Year 1, propaganda blares, truth blurred. Year 3, fear grips, curfews tighten. Year 5, whispers of rebellion grow louder. Year 10, your child asks, will we ever know peace? The answer escapes.
If you found this helpful, make sure to like the video, subscribe, and drop your questions in the comment section.